All right, y'all, here is the grocery haul for the week, kind of in sections. So got some bananas just for snack. I'm gonna do stuffed peppers for dinner 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow. So I got 2 of those. A green apple for a yogurt dip I'm making, an avocado for my stuffed peppers, and then I'm gonna do tacos the other night, so we're kind of using all the same ingredients all week. I got a cucumber to go with my hummus. I just got this roasted red pepper hummus. That's my favorite kind. I got a Caesar salad kit. I have a flatbread in the freezer, and I thought this could be a really easy lunch or dinner. Just cook up some chicken and throw it on a little flatbread. So that's another idea for the week. I got some spinach and butter lettuce mix as a little like side salad with my stuffed peppers, and then also to go on my tacos. I got some of these organic strawberries. They had a taste test at Sprouts with these, and they're so good. They had a buy one, get one half off on the Dave's bread. So I got the Boomin' Berry. This is just like blueberry bagels. And then I also got some English muffins. I'm gonna have that this week with some hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, and I'll probably just freeze whatever I don't use. Also got some cilantro lime rice that I'm gonna put in the stuffed peppers, some tomatoes to top the stuffed peppers, ground beef, that'll be the base of it. And then they didn't have the regular taco seasoning, so I just picked up this one. I figure it'll be close enough. And then I also saw this when I was about to check out, and I decided to pick it up. Creamy jalapeno made with avocado oil. Has pretty good ingredients. And 10 calories per teaspoon. So grabbed that. I got these tortillas. They're just like corn. I got these tortillas, just like regular corn tortillas. I like that there isn't a ton in here because I feel like they always sell corn tortillas by like the hundreds. I've been watching way too much Sydney Adams and also Morgan Peterson. They are doing the dates with some cashew butter. They did not have cashew butter that wasn't $20. So I picked up this nutso, but these are the only ingredients. So it's just like several types of nuts, some salt, flax, and chia. And there's nothing else in there. So like no like oils or anything. So I thought that would be close enough. And I did get some mini chocolate chips to go on top of that. They also do a little salt. And then these were buy one, get one half off as well. So I just picked up some for like future baking. I'll throw those in the freezer. This idea I got from Blair Cooley. I think she uses like non-fat plain yogurt, but I'm gonna do vanilla Greek yogurt with some protein powder and some sprinkles, which I think I have sprinkles already, and eat it with the apple and then also these Mexican shortbread cookies. She calls it like the Dunkaroo dip or something, so I'm gonna give that a go. I always see Sydney and other people on TikTok having these, so I just thought I could take these to work and have a little snack whenever I need it. We talked about the ground beef. I think that is everything for the week. I did pick up this Koala Eco kitchen cleaner. I've just heard really good things, and I think it's a little less toxic, or it's actually supposed to be very non-toxic, especially in comparison to the Lysol that we're currently using. So I picked that up just to see if we like it. Okay, so I'm giving the dates a try. Well, I already tried one, and it's so freaking good. I'm gonna see if Morgan wants to try some. So you pit your date, and I just like left it kind of whole. It's not in 2 pieces. Just take the pit out. You do a little bit of whatever nut butter you want. I think Sydney and Morgan Peterson both use cashew butter. They did have that brand at Sprouts, but they didn't have that kind. It was like, that brand was like $18.99 for a jar. However, it probably lasts a long time. But the one I ended up getting was like $12, I think. So I thought that was a little bit better. I'm adding just some salt. I don't have any other salt other than this like sea salt flakes, which I guess is exactly what they use, the Malden one. So I grabbed that, and I'm doing a little bit of the chocolate chips, the mini chocolate chips. It is so good. The date honestly just tastes like, I don't know, it's giving like Snickers caramel vibes. It's not overly sweet, but like it is sweet, if that makes sense. I love it. I'm gonna go see if Morgan wants to give it a go. But look how cute they are. It's a date, just one of these. I took the pit out, And then I got this nut butter that just has cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flaxseed, chia seed, hazelnut, pumpkin, and sea salt. No oils or sugar. And then I added...
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I'm skeptical.
No, this is good. Do you want to try this first? It's good.
No.
Morgan, man of the people, is going to try it on camera.
You know how I feel about peanut butter that is not probably, you know, the worst kind, like Jif or whatever. Well, I love Jif. I love peanut butter, but
it's not bad. You kind of have to chew for a minute to get all those flavors, but it's pretty freaking good.
Yeah.
It's not bad, right?
I mean, it's good. And the peanut butter, it's good.
And I think you need the
Or the nut butter,
wait, the jewel. You need the date for the sweetness of the peanut butter.
Yeah.
It just works. It just does.
Dang, it doesn't like taste
terrible.
Yeah.
I know. Yay! A win! And I'm glad because dates are not, I keep wanting to call these jewels. Dates are not cheap. So I'm glad that we like it and they won't go to waste.
Dang, well the sugar's way better than, there's 1 gram per, 2 tablespoons is 1 gram of sugar.
I don't even know where the sugar is from. Maybe, is it added sugar? No. It's
No,
probably
it
from
says
the
0
pumpkin.
grams of added sugar.
Yeah. Oh,
If you've never looked at the back of regular peanut butter sugar, just look at it. It'll make you think
If you want to
otherwise.
cry today.
Yeah, especially if you eat it by the jar
the one
like
we
I used
got.
to do.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
salt,
actually
sea
good.
Salt, hazelnut, chia, flax, Brazil, almonds, cashews. So it just has like natural sugars from whatever's in here. No oil.
So
Delish.
it's a date, that, and then
A little pinch of sea salt, just like a teensy bit, and then a few of these.
I taste it. Okay, that's good. I mean, it tastes like a candy bar.
It does.
A chocolate bar.
It does. This is what the healthy girls are doing.
I'm gonna be a healthy girl from now on. Those are actually pretty good.
Very good. Okay, I need to put this stuff away, and then we'll start cooking dinner. So I'm gonna let my peppers boil for just a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and dice up one of my tomatoes. Just washed it. And I like to boil my peppers because I like my peppers more soft than crunchy. You can bake them in like some water also, but I just like the boil method. I've always found that it just turns out the best for me, even though it is kind of an extra step. And I'm gonna wait to do my avocado until right before we eat. Okay, I did move about a third of the beef over so that Morgan can do tacos later. And I added the rice and corn to mine. I'm doing a terrible job at this, getting it everywhere. This is really stretching. I was thinking this would be only enough for 2, but I could have done a third for sure. And I only have Italian cheese, but we're just gonna use this just a little bit on the top. And we'll just bake until it's all melty. This mixture, by the way, the beef, I really like that seasoning. I only used half of the packet. I used cilantro, lime, rice, and some corn. This is so good. If you want it saucy, you could definitely do like an enchilada sauce or even a taco sauce. I'm a toppings girl, so I'm gonna dress it up with all the sauces and toppings at the end. But if you wanted it saucy, you could definitely add some stuff at this point. I was gonna do maybe a little mustard, but I think what I'm actually gonna do is a little spritz of oil, a dash of lime, literally just a dash, and a little balsamic, which might be a weird combo, but I think it's gonna be fine. I feel like balsamic salad goes, oops, with everything. Go in over my pepper with this sauce. This has, it says mild, but it has a kick to it. So I'm just gonna do a little. Right, there is dinner. I'm gonna put together tomorrow's breakfast. We're keeping it really simple, sort of just with like a little snack box. So I'm gonna start with 2 hard-boiled eggs. And that'll be 12 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna do 2 of these Jimmy Dean turkey sausage patties. I'll probably heat these up. And I'm gonna do some seasoning on here, so don't worry about that. And I think I'm just gonna do half of the bagel. That'll be 130 calories and 5 protein. And I'm also gonna do just a couple strawberries on the side. I'm just gonna wash these and put them over here. All right, so I got some strawberries washed and in there. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut my eggs in half and add a little chili onion crunch. Okay, my little box. All right, y'all, that is all for today's video. I'm going to go enjoy dinner, then clean up my kitchen, and probably get to editing this video. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to stick around with me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.